Hi, I've had a question tonight about the SWOT analysis. Basically, you're going to select a business or a business issue, that's up to you, and do a SWOT analysis as your first step and being guided by what you find in the digital library. Your SWOT analysis visual would be included in your paper. The same thing would be for paper 2 with the pestle analysis. The document also includes a lot of ideas from past students and topics from past students to get your minds thinking and your conversation going. The document includes what a SWOT analysis looks like. Your SWOT analysis visual would probably be best placed in the executive summary as your first visual. Under the executive summary, I've stated here is where you place your SWOT analysis. I want to thank the student that contacted me and we chatted, and I hope this clarifies the issues.